Today, we are going to talk about this is what's causing your ads to struggle.
So what is this? Well, this is conversion rate optimization. Everyone thinks about ads in which like, oh yeah, we need to create better creatives, better copy and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, that's true. That is important. Oh, we need to fine tune our settings. We need better ad managers. And yeah, that's true. But what's the issue? Everyone is eventually focusing on this. Everyone's trying to hire these people. But you know what most people aren't trying to do? They're not trying to optimize their conversion rates on their website. And I'm not just talking about your copy and the landing page that you're driving people to. I'm also talking about your upsells, your downsells, your LTV of your customer, because ads are getting more expensive. The only way really to win is to convert more of those clicks into customers or generate more revenue from each and every single one of those customers, right? So it's either you got to get more clicks for the same dollars into purchasing, or you got to get them to spend more money, or a combination of both. And that's where conversion optimization comes into play. And that's what a lot of people don't do. And one simple thing that Eric and I love doing that you guys should do is check out Facebook's ad library. You can search for anything, see what other players are doing in your space and get feedback from that and use that to give you inspiration on what to test. You can go on Google, click on some of the listings of competitors and look to see what they're doing. And again, you can use that to figure out, all right, what are some things to test that they're doing that we're not doing? You got to continually read articles on conversion rate optimization or watch YouTube videos on it or go to events that talk about CRO. This will all give you ideas on how you can improve your conversion rates. And Eric and I know this because every time we create a blog post or a podcast episode about CRO, no one wants to read or listen to it, but it's that X factor that can make your ads do really well in a time when ad costs just keep going up.
Yep. I'm actually trying to find this other tool right now that actually lets you look at YouTube ads, but I can't find it. But also, you can use Hrefs, and then there are, I think SEMrush also allows you to do this too, where you can see kind of the paid media ads, at least for search. And ADBEAT, AdBeat, we've talked about that. You can see display ads as well. But kind of in a similar vein, when I think about what is causing people to struggle, it's really optimization at a really high level, right? So CRO, we're all really just talking about optimization. And so why marketing's getting harder now? Because the old way of doing paid media, it's gone, right? Like 2 years ago, it's like, oh yeah, 47% of VC dollars are going towards ads. Let's just turn Facebook and Google on. And I'm oversimplifying right now, but I really think a lot of people were just largely doing that. And now with kind of the, Facebook ads are harder now, like Apple making things more difficult and Apple also growing their ad empire. That's a whole nother thing. What really matters, the X factor is disclose optimization, creative, and data. And so if you don't have really strong creative and if you're not refreshing your data and you're not trying to hook people in, so hook, story, and close, if you're not doing that, then you're just not going to do as well. And then also, if you're not taking a look at your data and then optimizing based off the data, because your data tells a story, then you're not going to win, right? So again, the two X factors I believe now when it comes to paid media and also just marketing on a broader scale comes down to creative and data.
So I think that's it. For this episode, make sure you rate, review this podcast. Really appreciate you guys listening, and thank you for your time.